Hi everyone, this is Randy Pickerell with Diversified Capital Funding, here today to talk about a topic that comes up all the time, and that is how to monitor your credit report and understand what's on it and understand what your credit scores are and how those will affect you. So I've often met with clients that are considering buying a house maybe for the first time or a subsequent purchase, and they've done all the right things. They've saved money for a down payment, they're gainfully and steadily employed, and then we pull their credit report and we see something on their credit report which has damaged their credit scores, and they were totally unaware of that. And it can take you time to repair that credit report. So it's best to monitor your credit and know what comes up on it before you ever apply for a loan and start the process. So here's what I do and where I go to do that.
Here we have a typical search engine. Typed in FTC, and you can see it's a .gov website. Federal Trade Commission. Get your free credit report. Now, all of these links contain excellent information, and I would read each one of them. How to get your free annual credit reports. Visit annualcreditreport.com, or you can call or complete a request form and mail it in, however you feel most comfortable. This messaging tells you that you're leaving the FTC website. Go to link. Now we've been linked to the annualcreditreport.com website, where I can request a free credit report, which then requires that I fill out a form, pick the reports that I want, and again, I would choose Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Request and review your reports online, and if you wish, send me a copy and we can discuss it, and I can help you understand exactly what it shows.
So now you've seen a copy of your free annual credit report and you're asking yourself, okay, so this doesn't have credit scores. Where do I find out my credit scores? And credit scores are really confusing because I see a whole bunch of different credit scores that are out there. So it's nice to know that Fannie Mae, which is one of the large quasi-government agencies that buys and sells mortgages and mortgage-backed securities, they have determined that the acceptable credit scoring model is FICO Classic. So there's 3 credit bureaus in the United States that most people look at when they're pulling a credit report, most credit vendors. That would be Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. They all have their own websites and they all have their own scoring models and they all have multiple scoring models. But Fannie Mae says that we're going to use the FICO Classic score. So keep that in mind, FICO Classic. Now, I like to go to Experian's website. They have a plethora of good credit information on there. But within their website, they talk about the various different credit scoring models that they and the other 2 credit bureaus offer. And here's what I like to look at on their website. You can see my search engine entry, Experian. I'm not going to click get your free credit report and FICO score here because that's the FICO Score 8 model. You click their logo to get to their landing page and to their search bar, and I typed in credit scores. First thing that came up for consumer results was which credit scores do mortgage lenders use? And a great article that talks about mortgage lending relative to credit scores. It tells you that Experian, when you pull an Experian bureau, they're running FICO Score 2. When I pull an Equifax bureau, it's FICO Score 5. And the TransUnion bureau is FICO Score 4. Equifax calls it the Beacon 5. TransUnion calls it the FICO Risk Score 04. Bottom line is, I'm only going to be looking at one score, the FICO Score 2, which is the classic.
and I scroll further down, and I can see again, check your credit for free, but that's FICO score 8. Or if you have an Experian CreditWorks Premium membership, you can get multiple FICO score versions, including FICO score 2 from Experian. Once I click that, you can see free 7-day trial. I would click Premium now, then fill out the form to get your free credit report and credit score FICO version 2. And then before your 7 days is up, just discontinue your free trial. Or if you like the monitoring service, pay for a month and see if it really is worthwhile for you. Thanks very much. Hope this helps.